Hey everybody, this video we're going to get down with some more stock lock Sunday. I've got 4 Kwikset kick cylinders here. 3 of them are new, and this one has been heavily used outside. And they're supposed to all be keyed the same, but I've got no key. So plan is to pick this one open and decode it and make a key that hopefully works the rest of them. Alright, so there's picked open. And pull this guy apart here. No reason to dump the drivers on these. These are just commercial cylinders. And so they're all standard pins. Alright. And no good here. So we've got a master wafer in there. And so, alright, no good. So not going to be able to decode this now. Now I got it mixed up here. So, whatever. Doesn't matter. I guess I'll just have to deal with the other ones here to pick them and gut them anyway, because if there's master wafers in there, I need those out. And there's most definitely master wafers. So that explains, I guess, why I also picked that easily. And so I guess what I'll do then is just shim the other ones open and dump all the master wafers and everything, and then just simply rekey them. Easiest way to go about it. So that'll I guess gonna do it for this video. So just look at all the crap that fell out of the top of that guy. Springs, master wafers, and rust and all. And that will I guess do it for this video then, and we'll talk to everybody later.